So what do you say I go ahead and finish the lightning cup for 200cc? You know what? I'm going to do it down here instead. You can see the dog. She's chilling over there. Um, I'm down here basically for the whole day. So let's grab this and let's go over here. Put it in the dock. In you go, sweetie. Alright, it's in there. I just need to turn it. Oh wait, is it? No, it's in. I just need to turn it on. Wait. On. I'm watching some videos. Where'd it go? It is. No. Hey, it's Koopa Kung Fu. Alright, I don't care. How? Alright. In. What? What? Hang on, is this? Oh, darling. Oh, I plugged that out. Right. Alright, there we go. So now we have there. And then bam. So I'm gonna cut ahead until I have everything set up, and I'm gonna finish N64 Rainbow Road. So if to do this, I need to push this table right up to the TV. Is this close enough? Let's see. I'd say that's close enough. You know what? That'll do. This will do. I'm just gonna put this right there. There we go. Yeah, that's good enough. So let's go ahead and play as Gold Mario. And you know what? Let's just use this. It's only N64 Rainbow Road. It's fine. This track isn't too bad. I think this is my first video where I'm doing it like this. I can't really tell how the right side of the screen is. It looks alright. If it's kind of bad, I'm sorry. I just want to do it down here. Here we go. No. I'm already doing bad. But that's fine. What is he using? Oh my god. I will not lose this. Ah, he screwed up. Stupid ghost screwed up. How could he? And use the mushroom. Yay! Alright. That was pretty bad. But you know what? That's fine. I did it. That's cool. Yippee, I did it. How long is that video? I can't tell. I can't see it from here. But I'm done. Does that say 3 minutes? Okay, 4 minutes. Okay. So we've all these 8 tracks done, so I have to do the DLC now. I'm gonna start with the Egg Cup, then I'll do the Triforce Cup, then I'll do the Crossing Cup, then we'll do the Bell Cup. So we'll do DLC Pack 1, then DLC Pack 2.